My name's Terry Fairbanks. I'm the Executive Director of Southern Oregon Forest Restoration Collaborative. I live in an area of Southern Oregon that backs up to Northern California, and this area is called the Klamath Bioregion, and it's a unique area. There's over 30 conifers that grow here, many wilderness areas, and one of the last expanses of oak habitat in Oregon. As frequently as 8 to 15 years, fire historically visited this area, and it created this diverse mosaic of forests. However, with over 100 years of fire suppression, the forests have grown dense with small trees, and what would have been a low intensity cleansing fires are now often high intensity wildfires that threaten important wildlife habitat and our communities. Our forests still need fire, but we need to create conditions where fire stays close to the ground. So our solution is to reduce that density, protect the old trees, protect the variety of different habitats. And we've come together as many different nonprofit groups. We're working with the state and the counties and the federal agencies, and kind of have a common vision. We're doing lots of thinning, and then we're bringing fire back onto the ground. This is really expensive work to begin with, but we've seen that on treated landscape, when fire does revisit the area, it drops to the ground and firefighters have been able to stop it. It saves us so much more money than fighting fires as an emergency, which costs millions of dollars a day to suppress. Folks want ecological forests managed in an ecological way. They don't want it for just one thing, like a product or just water. All the values are important to these communities. They really value their forests, these forests that come right down to the community, that are in their backyard. There's a need for sustained investment and funding. Without a sustained commitment and investment and an institutionalization of some of this active forest management, the funding will go away, the forests will return to their current condition, and it'll be for naught without a sustained strategy for investing in our forests and all the values they provide.